you know a wild wolf is also here? To meet him, let's go to Street W. Oh yeah, it's Street W.
Hello kids, welcome back again. So today we are going to learn about alphabet W. And let's see who is here with me. Ooh, this is my friend Kukru. Kukru, say hello to your friend.
Hello friend. Kukuruku.
Hey, I am Mama W. I am also called Big W.
So kids, this is uppercase W.
Hi, I am Baby W. You can also call me Small W.
And this is lowercase w.
We both say ba, ba, ba.
And the sound of W is wa, wa, wa. Now let's see what are the words that start with letter W.
Ba, as in watermelon.
So Kukru, will you say with me? W says wa, 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 wa as in watermelon.
W says wa, as in watermelon. Hey, I like watermelon.
Ba, as in wet.
W says wa, 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 wa as in wet.
W says wa, as in bed. I don't like to bed. I want to fly.
Ba, as in walrus.
W says wa, 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 wa as in walrus.
W says wa, as in walrus.
Ba, as in wolf.
W says wa, 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 wa as in wolf.
W says wa, as in wolf.
Ba, as in watch.
W says wa, 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 wa as in watch.
W says wa, as in watch. Hey friends, look your watch every day in the early morning. When I say kukuruku.
Now Kukru, we are going to read a sentence. Let's see.
Do you know? Willy Wolf wore a watch. Isn't that funny?
W says wa, 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 wa as in Billy. W says wa, 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 wa as in wolf. W says wa, 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 wa as in wolf. W says wa, 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 wa as in what? So let's read it. Willy Wolf wore a watch. Kuku, give it a try.
Willy Wolf wore a watch.
Wow! So kids, today we learned about alphabet W. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now. Kukru, say bye.